Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good morning to all of you for coming to this NTSC class. Okay, we'll
Good
start.
morning, sir.
Good morning. We'll
Good
start off
morning,
with
sir.
this English spot the errors. So it is English, and you have to spot the error in this sentence. The sentence is split into four parts: A, B, C, D, and there is a mistake in one part, and you have to find which part has got an error and what is that mistake. Excuse me. Okay. So now let's go one by one. 1 minute. I will make sure. Yes. Yes. So let me read the first sentence. He is one of the shrewdest men who is in the administration. He is one of the shrewdest men who is in the administration. So we have split this into four parts. Everything has come in your exams. The same, the questions are taken, maybe different years. He is one, that is part A. Of the shrewdest men is part B. Who is part C. In the administration is part D. So what is the mistake? What is the error? And which part is the error there?
Sir, C.
Part B,
See,
sir.
see, what is the error, sir?
Sir, who is?
So what should come? What should come? Like who is wrong. What is the right? You correct the error.
Attending.
Attending is the second man, second sentence. I am talking about the first sentence. Why are you jumping into sentence, man? I do not know. You said C, part C has got some mistake. So this who refers to whom? This who refers to the he or the men?
The men, sir.
Men. What should it come? What should you get there? Men is plural.
Man.
R, sir.
What? Can you
Who are?
can you put the right sentence now? Can you read the right sentence?
He is one of the shrewdest men who are in the administration.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Then why so much hesitance? Who is this man? What is your name?
Sharan, sir.
Saran, but why hesitation? You have said, I asked you who refers to whom. You said it is men. So men is plural, and after whose plural should come, R has to come. So the R has come
Yes, sir.
there. So correct.
Yes, sir.
So he is one of the shrewdest men who are in the administration. Okay, good. Right. Next. Next, who will read? Anirudh, can you read?
Yes, sir. Each of the girls has
No.
work.
Why are you making such a blunder, Anirudh? I am asking you to read the next one. Which is the next one?
He said he would.
Huh? No,
He
next
said-
one. Next one. See, we have seen only the first one, no? I don't know. Something.
Sir.
Are you able to see the screen?
No, sir.
You are not able to see the screen.
No, sir.
I don't know. The screen is not visible.
Sir, your,
Sir, it is visible.
Visible, sir.
Then why he says it's not visible? What happened to your computer?
sir, you're not presenting in my screen, sir.
Then how will you read each of the? How did you get that?
Sir, now you saw, sir.
Okay, right. Okay, now you read the second one.
Attending a private college is significantly more expensive than a state school.
I think Anirudh is not there in the class now. His mind is elsewhere, I think. Attending a private party, he says. Probably he has attended a party in the last 1 week. Still his mind is there in the party. Is it correct, Anirudh? Did you
Sir,
attend a
college,
party?
sir.
Eh?
College, sir. College.
College, okay. Attending a private college is significantly more expensive than a state school. So, what is the mistake here?
Sir, significantly won't come in, sir.
No, you see how to find a mistake. First of all, let me tell you how to find a mistake. Okay, if you are very strong in grammar, just by reading it, you can find. Or if you are a normal boy like me, normal person like me, what we do, normal boys will do, you do that, you tell that sentence 2 or 3 times in your mind voice. You may get the right answer. Mind wise may you do it 2 3 times. Attending a private college is significantly more expensive than a state school. So wherever you have your flow is getting obstructed, perhaps mistake error may be there.
Sir, in MCQ questions like this, it seems like everything, like we use everything in talking most of the time. In when they give the options.
No, I have not given you the option here.
Yes, sir. In general, in the exam options. will come.
Option will be given. That will be more confusing.
Sir, I think A is the wrong one, sir.
Which one?
A, sir.
Yeah. What is the wrong thing there?
Sir, they are comparing college and school, sir.
Okay. I will make this as college. Let us say. Then let us say I make this as a college or a school. Then a school or a college or whatever, I'll change. Then how will you find out? Sorry, I think the screen has gone, no?
Yes, sir.
No, that I don't know whether that is the mistake. So what is the mistake? No, that is no.
Excuse me,
You
sir.
can change college or school. I mean here, no, I'll tell you. 1 minute. In abroad, in other countries, even the college is called as a school. Even in India, for example, I studied in a college, but it is called School of Management. So school, college interchangeably used. So don't bother about that. Okay. So that is not the mistake. Something else. Yes. Somebody wanted to say, Mugundan. Somebody wanted to say.
Sir,
something.
Advika is waiting, sir, outside.
Yes, Advika, you can come. Why you are not coming? No, it's all open. She can always come. I don't know. Why she is not able to join, I do not know. Okay, when she comes, we will again invite her. No problem. So attending a private college, so college school makes it okay. I appreciate this boy. At least if he could find some difference. But here that is not the point. Okay, something else is the point. What is that point? You read it twice or thrice in your mind voice, then you will get it.
Sir, I think attending, sir.
So what is the new letter? New word?
Joining.
Eh?
Joining.
No, okay. Let me tell you, whenever they give you a problem like this, spot the error, you cannot change that word. You cannot bring a new word. Either you can correct the word, but entirely new word will not be the answer, right? Or there could be the error may be in vowel, error may be in tense, error may be in gerund, whether two has to come, or error may be on the conjunction, error may be something like this, is adjective or adverb, all sorts of things, right? So attending a private college, I don't think it is it's wrong. Joining or attending, what difference it makes?
Sir, can we use significantly in comparing, sir?
Yes. Significantly more expensive. More
Sir,
has
it's
come, no?
another example
As far as
comparing
more is
significant.
see, any comparison, if more comes, it is always a comparison. You are comparing with something. Attending a private college is significantly more expensive than attending a state school is the answer. Here it should come than attending. It should come like this. Attending a private college is significantly more expensive than a state school, not like that. It is than attending a state school, no, state college, or whatever it is. Okay, let's go to the third one. Third one, who would like to read it?